It's been my long cherished dream to attend this Konkan workshop, because I came to know it about this workshop from Dr. Vishwa. We came with, she brought me to this understanding that there is this workshop going on, and I was really was wishing to attend a workshop in which there is sharing of knowledge, and there is a lot of experience we will be getting from the senior doctors. Especially Shekhar sir is very good in delivering that knowledge to and inculcating the knowledge in students. And actually, when I attended the introductory course of the other show itself, Shekhar sir's way of presenting the case, even starting with the slow, melodious music and getting everybody ready for attend that class, that made me very much interested in attending further classes of sirs. Okay, the in-depth case taking, that that expert or that in-depth way of understanding the patient sir is having is awesome. Is extraordinary. I think it is that made me very much come to him and understand. And here we are getting different ways of understanding an individual, and that too in depth. How to we have to go in depth and how to perceive with perseverance the patient's deep experience of the state that we are getting in this, and that too learning from experiences, and uh, that is the best way to learn. I, there's four types of learning. We can learn from the qualified or the education institution that we get. Then we can learn from books. We can learn from others' experience. But when it becomes your experience, it becomes an you will not forget that learning in your lifetime. That is the best way of learning that we get from. Also, the surrounding nature, which helps us go into our own self and to concentrate, help us to concentrate into that learning, and that ambience made around us, that is so good. The morning meditation, the yoga, and the group discussion, and the morning walk with the walking with the sir, and sharing of knowledge. Then the like the different varieties of food we get for the stomach, we get the food for our brain also. The there is something that we are getting. Here in Konkan workshop, we are getting what we more than what we expect, more much more than what we are expecting, and that extra things of personal touch also. the care, love, affection we are getting here, it's also is added to that. Like a family, we are living together here and experiencing everybody's understanding of their knowledge we are sharing, and that is a very good thing I learned from here, and I am going with an enriched and enlightened mind. That's I am happy about that. Actually, I was in always I wanted to come here, but when the right time, right things happens for you. That is happening now. At right time, right things happen, and right people comes into your life. That will help you go further in your journey of life. So I expect everybody come to here and experience themselves the joy, or the what they are getting, what you will be getting will be what you will not be expecting. It is much more than that. Household wives and who are doing into their profession, and especially household homeopaths, when we are doing it like a mechanical life, when we are doing it, it will not be giving you anything that you are doing the household wise household works and then going and then looking after patients. Then some patients will not be getting that result you are expecting, and you are not getting time to refer back to your books, to refer back to your or working behind for these patients. You will not be getting as you are household wise. So for that lady homeopath, it will be a very good experience. It will be a very good, what you call, experience, other way of learning, because you are taking living your duties, responsibilities over at home, and you are free of mind here, and you can involve in such a way that you will not be bothered about anything. You will be concentrated on only in your own evolution and your own way of understanding, or your own upliftment. That will help give you the added thing when you just take 10 days off from your household duties and your professional duties. That will help you a lot to that will help you in your practice in leaps and bounds. That's
Thank you so much.